Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction, my name is Umi Kasum, University Teguh Umar, Faculty of Public Health. Public Health Study Program Health Financing and Budgeting course with a supervisor, Mr. Fitrah Renaldi, SKM MKes. Okay, here I will explain about the direct and indirect cost. Definition of direct and indirect cost. Cost is money spent or sacrificed to get goods or service from third parties in order to get profits or operation profit. Cost is the sacrifice of a number of resources. Lennon, Anderson, and Maher 2011. The full definition of cost is the amount of resources sacrificed or spent to achieve a certain goal, and is usually calculated. Financial cost can also be defined as the time and resources required, and by competition is measured in limits of money. The answer of the word expense is when the fee has been asked up. Cost profit, one of the information related by management in managing the company, namely for planning and controlling profits, determining the cost of products and services, as well as for decision making by management. Is a direct cost. Direct are costs that can be easily tracked to the cost object in question. The concept of direct cost is broader than this notion of direct material and direct labor. Direct costs are cost elements that are directly related to the volume of work lasted in the famous item or become a permanent component of the project result. The direct cost category are all costs that are with the control of the subcontract for. 2. Indirect costs. Indirect costs are costs that are difficult to label and are assigned difficult to units of production and accurately flagged to a cost object. Costs that can be tracked to a cost object will improve the accuracy be accurately attribute to a specific cost object. For example, the cost of building maintenance such is contrast to the direct cost, which can be negotiated and can be directly charged. Indirect costs will still be accurate but for the payment period not at the time. As well, it can be an installment model. Expenses that are deposited at the end, as well as expenses for unexpected needs. According to Mulyadi 2014, indirect costs are costs that occur not only because of something that is financed. These costs cannot be directly related to the end production. The types of indirect costs can be divided into: first, overhead costs. Overhead costs, additional costs that are not directly to the production process but must still be alerted so that production can run well. Example of overhead costs are the cost of obtaining a business license, the cost of managing the control from of a building of or office, the cost of production quality control, the cost of renting on office and other. And discount. Unfixed cost. Unfixed costs are costs such I said by business makers to prepare the business in the event of emergency in the future. No one can guess when those unfixed costs will be incurred. However, these costs should be owned by every business. For example, the importance of unfixed costs such as the savers or the deals with cases such as epidemics, peace, crisis, or natural disaster is entrepreneurs do not refer indirect costs. There is a high potential for the business to go bankrupt. Okay, next, types of direct and indirect costs. Direct costs are divided into two types, namely direct material costs. In the cost of service, these costs are costs incurred to obtain material or equipment that are directly related to the service. In health service, for example, cost of consumables, the cost of health promotion, leaflets given for patients during health outreach event, and others discount direct labor cost. In the context of service, their costs are costs insured to fund the service of workers who are directly involved in the service. All of health service are the outpatient doctor salary, the salary of health analysis, the salary of health promoter, and others. Next, indirect costs or overhead costs are divided into the indirect material costs or indirect material costs in the health service. This cost is a number of funds found to obtain or as material that are not directly related to the service. Discount indirect labor cost. Indirect labor cost. This cost is a number of funds found to obtain and as water who are not directly involved in health service. In addition, there are costs that are indirectly related to service, but cannot be grouped into the two types of costs above, namely equipment deficit cost, building definition cost, insurance cost, land and building debt cost, electricity, and others. Direct and indirect cost function. The first, direct costs are essential in determining the cost of producing a good for one unit or working on a project. Because it only produces one unit, cost can be determined before production is carried out. Cost, why the indirect cost function is asked when the company produces several types of goods or several types of purchase. This indirect cost arise due to operation circumstances. All from my explanation about direct and indirect, if there are shortcomings, I apologize and end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.